Bingo Cash rewards players based on completing cash game challenges, but your weekly results depend on how often you play, the games available, and whether you meet the requirements for rewards. After testing Bingo Cash for a week, the main thing to measure is not just the amount shown in the app, but how much time and effort it takes to reach those rewards. By the end, you'll understand how Bingo Cash earnings work, what affects your weekly results, and how to decide if the app is worth your time. The first thing to check is how Bingo Cash structures its rewards. Bingo Cash is a skill-based mobile gaming app where players compete in bingo-style games and can receive rewards based on performance and participation. That means results are different from user to user because winning depends on gameplay and consistency. During the first few days, focus on understanding the rules and the reward system. Track which games you enter, how long each session takes, and what rewards you actually receive. This gives you a realistic picture of whether the app fits your schedule. The next step is comparing time spent with results earned. A common mistake with reward apps is only looking at the possible payout shown on the screen. The better measurement is your personal experience after several sessions. If you spend more time than you expected for small rewards, the app may not feel valuable. Your weekly review should also include how enjoyable the games are. If you already like bingo-style games, the experience may feel more worthwhile because the entertainment value is part of what you receive. If you only use the app for rewards, your decision should depend on whether the process feels efficient. After 1 week, look at 3 things: your total rewards, your total playing time, and whether you would continue without feeling that the app takes too much effort. Bingo Cash can be a fun option for people who enjoy mobile games and want the possibility of earning rewards, but it should be treated as entertainment first, rather than a guaranteed way to make money. The key points are simple. Bingo Cash earnings vary by player, your results depend on gameplay and consistency, and tracking your own weekly activity gives the clearest answer. Your next step is to record your first few sessions and compare the time you spend with the rewards you receive. If this guide helped you understand Bingo Cash better, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and practical money guides.